Following the decision of the Central Executive Committee (CEC) to endorse the proposal of merging with the NPP, PDF Vice President James Ban Basayamoy today resigned from the party. Basayamoy submitted his resignation to Party President Gavin Milliam as he does not want to be a part of this move of merging with the NPP. Expressing his sadness at the move of merging the party as he was the founding member of PDF, Basayamoy said that such merger is not encouraging and people in such cases will lose faith on the regional forces.
Kaya garay ke juki tiki yang magaray ba perfect isi member kilalong miling ban merge no sakaway pat ka party nakabamut ban pendam no ya ka PDF tingangam kwa banding way naki ban kliap no leni ban pelip no iu momiti te kabhay nga bangamdam hijumut banech ban merge lam sakaway party te kabhay nga bang resign no na party.